Right now, let's talk about the title commitment. Our team will receive a copy of the title commitment from the title company, and then we will forward that title commitment to you. So what is a title commitment? A title commitment is not the title insurance policy. Instead, it's a commitment from the title company saying they will insure the title of your home as long as the items on Schedule B are met. On the title commitment, you will see a section called Schedule B. And Schedule B is going to list all of the liens against the property that the title company found during their title search. And again, this condition is a time-sensitive condition. So if you'd like to know how many days the seller has to get the title commitment to the buyer in your contract, look on line 84. And don't forget, who you work with matters.